So now let us try to solve one example. I am using the example given in the textbook itself. It is on page 163, the first activity. Conversation between Rakesh and Mrs. Sarkar is given. Rakesh says, "Hello, may I speak to Dr. Sarkar?" Mrs. Sarkar, who picks up the phone, says he has gone to hospital to attend the OPD. May I know who is speaking? Rakesh says, "Yes, I am Rakesh Sood. My wife has been having a severe headache since yesterday. Since this morning, she has also developed a high temperature. I would be very grateful if the doctor could come over to our place to examine her." Mrs. Sarkar answers, "Of course, please let me note down your address." Rakesh, "It is B49 New Colony." Mrs. Sarkar, "I will give him your message as soon as he returns." Rakesh says, "Thank you." Mrs. Sarkar had to leave for the school where she teaches, so she wrote a message for her husband. Draft the message in not more than 50 words. So, this is how the question in our question paper will be. One telephonic conversation will be given to you, and you will be asked to prepare a virtual message. So, you can prepare your message in this manner. A few things you must keep in your mind. The first and foremost is your message always must be in a box. You must draw such a box in your answer sheet. Secondly, it must always have the title as message. As per the given format, our message will begin with the date. So date must be written in the same fashion, 25th May 2021. So whatever day on which you will be writing it, just write the date. Followed by the time when you are writing the message. The message is addressed to Dr. Sarkar. So it will be written as Dr. Sarkar. Now, just as we have seen earlier, we have to write only the most important details. There should be no additional information. Grammatically, everything must be correct. And the most important point is use of indirect speech is necessary. Message must be written in simple language. There should be no confusion and ambiguity. And it must also be very polite. So, we begin writing our message. First, we will draw a block, a box, a square box. Then, as per the expected format, the title will be message. Then, followed by date, the time, the name of the person to whom the message is addressed to, Dr. Sarkar. Rakesh Sood from B49 New Colony called to say that his wife has been having a severe headache since yesterday. Since this morning, she has also developed a high temperature. He requested for a home visit. To examine her. Here ends the message, and the message is written by Mrs. Sarkar, so it will end with Mrs. Sarkar. So this is what we are supposed to write when we write a virtual message. The format is very easy to understand. The points are easy to remember, and if we practice it thoroughly, we can always aim at 4 out of 4. So write this one in your copy, and also you can do further activities as a part of your homework. So please do your homework and post your answers in the group. We will move with the next question in our next class. So bye for now. Thank you.